A.R. Rahman's mother Karima Begum has passed away in Chennai. The cause of her death cannot be ascertained at the moment. The Oscar-winning music composer shared a picture of her on social media to mark the sad moment. Karima Begum was the wife of famous music composer R.K. Shekhar, who passed away in 1976 and is survived by her daughters A.R. Rihana, Ishrat Qadri, Fatima Shekhar, apart from Rahman. Her children have credited her for bringing them up as a single mother and instrumental in helping them to achieve in the field of music. In 2019, Rahman had shared a throwback picture of his mother with his two daughters Khatija and Rahima. Rahman was very close to his mother and often spoke about her. Earlier this year, while remembering the patriotic song Maa Tujhe Salam from the 1997 album Vande Mataram, Rahman spoke about his relationship with his mother Karima Begum and how she has been pivotal in defining his success. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.